Everybody, welcome back to my new brand video. This is Santosh Kumar, and right now I'm going to receive a new book to the Sundarban Courier Service, because almost 3 days ago I ordered a book. So that's why today I have got a notification from Courier Service, Sundarban Courier Service. So that's why I have to receive this book. Okay, so now I'm going to there. Okay, so let's begin. Okay. Finally, I have got this book from Sundarban Courier Service. And okay, now it is the time to review about this book, and in this video I'm going to unboxing this book. And you know that today I have got this book from English Moja website, and maybe you know that the English Moja website is the best platform for learning English, and as well as there has a YouTube channel. It is called English Moja, and you can visit their YouTube channel, and I hope that you will get a lots of information from there. Okay, and Rofik sir, he's the founder of englishmoja.com. okay, and he's the good teacher, I hope. And in this video I'm going to unbox this video, so let's get started. And here maybe you can see the sender, English Moja website, and this book has come from Talaimari, Kazla, Motihar, Rajshahi, and this is their phone number, and this is their website, and you can visit their website and you will get a lots of information. Okay, and I'm a receiver, and look at this is my name, Santosh Kumar, and this is my location, Sherpur, and this is my district, and which is situated in Bogra district, and this is my phone number. And I ordered two books, and number one is NEET, and the second one is MCQ magic book. Okay, and this is the time to cart this book, so that's why I have to cart this book right now. And the book almost covered by the a thin paper, and as well as covered by the quash tape, so I have to cut this cover very carefully, so that's why I'm using a scissor. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, it's somewhat difficult. Wow, finally I'm very grateful to get this book. And although this book somewhat short than this book, but I think that two books are very good, and really it is very splendid. Okay, so let's go to the inside. This is the NEET book. Okay, compliment, and you will get a lots of information. You will get a lots of rules of grammar in this book, and this is for only grammar, and this book only for magics. This book only for practicing. Okay, and you know that practice makes a man perfect, so that's why you have to practice more and more. Okay, and you know that this book only for job or BCS candidate, but although I'm not a job or BCS candidate, you know that I'm a student of honors third year, Department of Chemistry, but I'm going to prepare for job, so that's why I have brought this book, and as well as this book only for beginner, okay, like me. And if you are a beginner like me, you can buy this book, and I hope that this book will be very helpful for you. Okay, and as well as I decided that I will finish these 2 books within 2 months. Okay, actually I don't know how it will happen, but this is my own kind of commitment, and this is my own kind of swear that I will finish this book within 2 months. Okay, so that's why dear viewers, please pray for me so that I can do it. Okay, and that's it about this video, and that's it about regarding this book. And I hope that you will enjoy this video, and if you enjoy this video, please support me, and if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for getting more update, and as well as I hope your best opinion about this book, and please drop your comment in the comment box. Okay, so that's it for now, and thanks a lot for watching my video, and thanks a lot for being with me. Okay, have a safe life and goodbye.